अस्सलाम एवरीवन। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? तो आज हम लोग पढ़ने जा रहे हैं साइंस का फर्स्ट चैप्टर जिसका नाम है केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड इक्वेशंस। Changes. Physical. These changes are reversible. For example, melting of water. Chemical. These changes are not reversible. For example, melting of iron rod. Chemical reactions. Reactants. The substance which they take part is chemical reaction are called reactant. Products. The substance which are formed in the chemical reaction are called products. Chemical reactions. A chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances, also called reactants, converted to one or more different substances, also known as products. For example, sodium plus water, which gives us water. Sodium is reactants and water is products. Changes occur during chemical reactions. 1. Change in state. 2. Change in color. 3. Change in temperature. 4. Evolution of gas. 5. Formation of a precipitate. Chemical equations. What is chemical equation? Why do we balance them? How we can balance them? Chemical equations. Questions number 1. What is chemical equations? Answer. Chemical equations is a symbolic representation of a chemical reaction with the help of symbols and formulas. For example, carbon plus oxygen, which gives us carbon dioxide. C plus oxygen, which gives us carbon dioxide. Chemical equations. Chemical equations. H2O means water breakdown into hydrogen plus oxygen. H20 is reactants, always be written in left hand side, and hydrogen plus oxygen is products, always be written in right hand side. Chemical equations. Questions number 2. Balanced chemical equations. Answer. The equations in which the number of atoms in the reactants and products are same is called balanced chemical equations. Reactants always be written in left hand side and products always be written in right hand side. Number of atoms are same. Chemical equations. Questions number 3. Why we do need to balance chemical equations? Answer. According to conservation of mass, mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reactions. Reactants mass, which gives us products mass, number of atoms in reactants and number of atoms in products. Chemical equations. Questions number 4. How to balance chemical equations? Answer. Fe means ions plus H2O means water, which gives us iron oxides plus H2 means hydrogen, equal to से पहले को बोल्ट है reactants and equal to के बाद में जो है रस को बोल्ट है products. 3 Fe plus 4 H2O, which gives us Fe 3O4 plus 4 H2. Types of chemical reaction. 1. Combination reaction. 2. Decomposition reaction. 3. Displacement reaction. 4. Double displacement reaction. 5. Oxidation and reduction reaction. 6. Exothermic and endothermic reaction. 1. Combination reaction. The reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form a single product is called combination reaction. Example, burning of coal means C plus O2, which gives us CO2, formation of water, 2H2 plus O2, which gives us 2H2O. 2. Decomposition reaction. The reaction in which a single reactant breaks down to form two or more products is called decomposition reaction. Questions. Why is any reactant or substance being broken down? Do you think why it is happening? Answer. Any reactant or substance is broken down due to some energy. 3 types of energy. 1. Thermal decomposition reaction. 2. Electrolytic decomposition reaction. 3. Photolytic decomposition reaction. 1. Thermal decomposition reaction means heat. Decomposition which is done by heat, we call it thermal decomposition. For example, CaCO3 means calcium carbonate when heated, which gives us Ca means calcium oxides plus CO2 means carbon dioxide. 2. Electrolytic decomposition. Decomposition which is done by electricity are called electrolytic decomposition. Example, 2H2O means water when heated, which gives us 2H2 means hydrogen plus O2 means oxygen. 3. Photolytic decomposition means sunlight. Decomposition which is done with the help of symbols, we call a photolytic decomposition. Example, 2AgCl means silver chloride, which gives us 2Ag means silver plus Cl2 means chloride. 3. Displacement reaction. The reaction in which two or more reactants displaces less reactive elements from its compound or evolution is called displacement reaction. Example: zinc plus copper sulfate, CuSO4, which gives us zinc sulfate, ZnSO4, plus copper, Cu. 4. Double displacement reaction. The reaction in which two different ion or group of atom in the reactant molecules are displaced by each other is called double displacement reaction, like AB plus CD, which gives us Ad plus Cb, sodium sulfate, Na2SO4, plus barium chloride, Bacl2, which gives us sodium chloride, 2Nacl, plus barium sulfate, BaSO4, और इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं precipitate भी. 5. Oxidation and reduction reaction. Oxidation reaction, the reaction in which oxygen is being added, or the reaction in which hydrogen is being removed, or the reaction in which electrons are losing. Example: carbon C plus oxygen O2 2H2S, hydrogen sulfide plus O2 oxygen, which gives us 2H2O, hydrogen oxides plus 2S sulfide, zinc which gives us zinc squared, zinc plus 2E electron, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं oxidation reaction. Reduction reaction, the reaction in which oxygen is being removed, or the reaction in which hydrogen is being added, or the process in which electrons are gaining. Example: 2KClO3, potassium chlorate, which gives us 2KCl, potassium chlorine, plus O2, oxygen, 2Na, sodium, plus H2, water, which gives us 2Na, sodium hydride, zinc squared, zinc, plus 2E, electron, which gives us zinc, तो इसको भी हम लोग reduction reaction बोलते हैं. Oxidation and reduction reaction. Oxidation means oxidized. Reduction means reduces, और इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं redox reaction. Redox reaction. ZnO, zinc oxides, plus C, carbon, which gives us zinc plus Co, carbon monoxide. When a substance are gained the oxygen or lose the hydrogen of the time of reaction. When a substance lose oxygen or gain the hydrogen. 6. Exothermic and endothermic reactions. Exothermic reaction. The reaction in which heat is evolved are called exothermic reaction. Example: burning of natural gas. CH4, methyl, plus 2O2, oxygen, which gives us CO2, carbon dioxide, plus 2H2O, water, plus heat, तो इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं process of respiration. Endothermic reactions. The reaction in which heat energy is observed are called endothermic reactions. Example: 2HgO, mercury oxides, plus heat, which gives us 2Hg, mercury, plus O2, oxygen, तो इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं photosynthesis, जो sunlight पड़ते ही इसका color change हो जाता है. Effect of oxidation in our daily life. 1. Corrosion. 2. Rancidity. 1. Corrosion. Corrosion is the phenomenon due to which metals are slowly eaten away by the reaction of air, water and other chemical present in atmosphere. Example: silver, copper, rust. Methods to prevent metal from corrosion. तो ये रहा, और aluminum का beneficial ये रहा. 2. Rancidity. It is the process of slow oxidation for oil and fat present in the food material. तो ये रहा. 2. Rancidity. Methods to prevent food from rancidity. Keeping food materials in airtight containers. Avoid keeping the cooked food and food materials in direct sunlight. Refrigeration of cooked food at low temperature. By adding antioxidants. Methods to prevent food from rancidity. Why are chips filled with air or gas, and that kind of gas is this? Do you think what kind of gas is? Nitrogen. Thanking for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe.